we might get hypothermia with this one.
Hey everyone, Ben and Ob here, and today we're at Volcano Bay. It is February. I'm in a wetsuit, and we're gonna see how much fun we can have at a water park in Orlando in the winter. So, cool story. We're staying at Cabana Bay for this trip, and we get a private Cabana Bay entrance to Volcano Bay. One of the perks of being able to stay at this on-site hotel. There's nobody else here right now. I don't know if it's because it's the winter or because it's the private entrance, but I'm gonna take full advantage of it. I feel like a VIP today.
Are your fingers cold? My fingers are cold.
Yeah, I have them tucked into the wetsuit.
It's packed today, guys. We're one of 2 families here for EPA.
How many rides do you think we can
I
go
don't
on?
think...
Body plunge is closed.
I'm not sure this is a good idea.
If I get cold, that's a problem.
We've got our Tapus.
I got mine.
Time to go secure our stuff in the locker.
And then put the rest of the wetsuit on.
The Tapu is really your key to Volcano Bay. You can open up your lockers and pay for things if your credit card is linked to the Tapu, but it's also your virtual line system. So you scan in, you'll get your wait time and your return time for the select rides. I don't think we're gonna run into too many issues because 1, it's February, and 2, it's early park admission.
Fun fact, if you wear a neoprene wetsuit, body slides are not gonna work for you. We were just told that you might get stuck, which, not gonna get stuck. We're not.
Aqua Coaster, here we come! That is why you come to early park admission. We got not once, not twice, 3 times on the Aqua Coaster. I don't even know what time it is because I just looked at my Tapu like it's a watch.
It's 9:50, and we just rode the
Aqua Coaster.
Well, I don't know what it's called.
Aqua Coaster 3 times.
Aqua Volcano.
On
3 times.
to
Ika Moana.
Ika Moana. It is cold. I will give it that. That water is cold.
I am comfortable AF.
We are going full send on the blue.
Hanu, not Ika Moana.
Hanu. Blue is a little more extreme than green. We're sending it. It's cold. I'm cold.
We're gonna send it and we're gonna run it back.
But it's fun. We're having fun.
I'm having a great time. It is officially 10:05. I'm spitting everywhere because I'm very excited. We've ridden Hanu twice, the water roller coaster 3 times, but Ben, now I've got a question for you. Are you feeling lazy or are you feeling fearless?
Let's go find out. Do be prepared for a lot of steps if you come to Volcano Bay and it's not busy though. No lines, lots of steps, not a lot of rest.
We're not feeling lazy or sure fearless yet, and we're feeling twos. As you can see, it is absolutely packed here at Volcano Bay today. But really, if you ever come to the park and it is actually packed, there are private cabanas and premier seating that you can rent for the day when you come. If you want to learn more about that, check out the video in the description box below where we cover all things about Volcano Bay and how to have the perfect day.
It's warming up a little bit. That air is still colder than the water though.
I am absolutely comfortable.
In a 5 mil wetsuit.
This has been one of my favorite days at Volcano Bay yet. Honestly, might be the perfect day for me. Might be.
Winter might be the time to come.
You know, there's another thing that'll make this day even better though, because my tummy is starting to get a little hungry.
It's almost lunchtime.
You know how you can make it better, Ben?
Oh yeah. Too. All right. Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead.
So, final verdict. Volcano Bay in February. Thoughts?
If you have a 5mm wetsuit, it's absolutely fantastic. There's nobody here. The rides are right now. And I am pleasantly warm, honestly. And it's like 64 degrees out right now.
Really,
how
just
about you?
Be prepared. Bring a rash guard or something warm. Like that air, it's better to be in the water than outside.
Yeah, getting out of the water is the hardest part, specifically for you. But that's our day here today. If you want a full rundown of Volcano Bay, check out the videos below. If you got anything out of this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more Universal content.
Bye.